Hopefully this is a good angle. Hi, my name is Miranda. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Miranda. So I'm gonna be doing a Boxy charm try-on style thing. This is my Boxy charm for the month of February. First thing first, we have the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. Then we have a Pharmacy Clean Bee facial cleanser. That's dope already. I already used it this morning to clean my face. That shit slaps. Then we have a Pretty Vulgar highlighter in the shade Shimmering Swan. We'll try that. And then we have a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then we have this magnetic little lip crown thing. We're gonna be doing a little try on haul to this, and everyone's sleeping, so hopefully that will make things so much better in sound, because last time I tried to film, screaming. If I can, I'll enter a clip right here. I know I'd get hella mad if I didn't. That was crazy. Keep on watching or whatever. I don't know. So the first thing that we're going to be trying today is the No Problem Primer by Touch and Soul. I'm just going to put this where I have pores. So everywhere. Oh my goodness. Wow, that feels so nice. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir. I don't ever match this well on a normal day that I wear makeup out. Now that that's all blended in, concealer. I don't wanna run from my gotta keep my candle light burning. Now that that's blended out immediately, I'm gonna set it with the Pretty Vulgar powder. It's translucent. I got this in a Boxy charm too. Yeah, pores, we don't know her. I'm gonna do my under eyes and I'll be right back. Face. Ooh. We're gonna be using this really dusted, musted, encrusted e.l.f. bronzing duo. Bronzer blush duo. This is literally one of my favorite bronzers ever, as you can tell. I just kind of stamp it on first, and then I blend. And then just the blush side, and I'm gonna go ham. Just like that, and then blend up, because I like the way blush looks on me. And then, of course, a shit ton on the nose. If you don't like blush, I'm sorry. You're missing out. My favorite technique in the whole entire mother freaking world. It's when you take any type of setting spray. I use this one. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I like this one because it's super hydrating and my skin's kind of dry, and I like this one. And it's $12 for this big bottle. I take this and I'm gonna drench my face. Literally, I'm gonna drench it. You're gonna drench yourself in that. Take your sponge, your beauty blender, whatever, and pounce all of the powders into your face. It's the best tip, literally the best tip anyone's ever given me. Now that once your face literally looks like a baby's butt because of how smooth it's gonna look. Highlight. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlight. We're gonna take this highlighter and we're just gonna... Wow. Wow! This is literally so pretty. Oh my goodness, this is literally so pretty. Oh my god. I'm gonna take some more and highlight above my brow. Looks literally the prettiest. It's started with me for you. You were my boo. I'm taking a small pencil brush. This is also from a Boxy Charm. Boxy Charm just kills it. And we're gonna dab on my nose. Rudolph who? We don't know her. And then right here, also gonna add this to the inner corner. Wow, I love. I'm gonna use my Buxom lip liner and my Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This is such a pretty color. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, literally full size. This month they come with a lipstick, but I wasn't really feeling that color. So last but not least, my mascara. This liquid lipstick has glitter in it. It is the prettiest thing. I don't know how to feel about this mascara. It's pretty and all, but I bet it takes a lot of layers. Party. So guys, that's the full try on Boxy Charm box for the month of February. This was a really good box. I highly recommend Boxy Charm. If you want to check out Boxy Charm, I will try to remember myself to leave a link down below in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, because why not? Follow me on Instagram. I don't want to talk loud because my family is sleeping, so I'm gonna give you a little bit